Hi guys, welcome back. Today I wanted to share the complete process of throwing the black porcelain to bisque firing, all the way into sharing how I'm going to glaze it and the end results. Now, I don't even know what the end results are yet because I haven't opened the kiln, but I cannot wait to share it with you. Whatever the results are, I'm going to be excited, so hope we all enjoy. We all, including myself. From this test tile, I wanted to pull out my absolute favorite glazes that I thought looked great on here and worked well together. I'm going to take the real orange, which I have over here, and then this one right here. These two actually do go together. I'm going to grab electric blue, and these are Amico's velvet underglazes. I'm going to grab the velvet underglaze purple, and I don't have a yellow on there, so I'm going to grab a yellow. And kind of how I get the idea. You know what, I need a red, don't I? I think all these colors look good together, and if I turn them all upside down and I look at the colors together, this actually ends up really bright. You know what, I'm just gonna give them a go. I'm real excited, so here it is. First I threw the cup, then I bisque fired it, then I put the wax over in a random pattern, made some stripes from underglaze, covered that with a clear glaze. Now I'm going to put it in the kiln at cone 5 and see how everything turns out. Okay, so here's the results of the black porcelain. I was so excited to see how these underglazes would turn out on here. I purposefully picked the yellow because I didn't have it on my original sample, and I wanted to make sure that I actually put it on something black so I could see how bright of a contrast it was. And it was brighter than I thought. I think putting it on with a sponge worked better than the stripes because the stripes look a little bit faded, and I didn't get enough a thick enough coating on them for it to matter, but still the effect is pretty cool, I think. I don't know, I'm just excited by it. Hopefully I can give you guys some really good shots of how it turned out. One interesting thing I noticed though is I'm not sure you can see, but these black pieces with clear on top of them actually turn out great. So that was an interesting thing that I found out. This was a wonderful test, and I can't wait to use it. I think I'm going to make some slip out of it and use it on the white porcelain. Oh, I just had some ideas. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you want to see more, and we will talk to you next time.